What is going on, everybody? Good morning. It is an early start to the day, and we have a different video for you guys today. Stay tuned. Welcome back, and we have something different for you guys today. Check this out. This is a mini excavator, KX033. I think this is like a 10,000 pound excavator. It's got a thumb. We got a job to do today, and I wanted you guys to check this out. This is going to be kind of fun today. Something different on the channel. Let's go. All right, guys, did a little time lapse for you. Here's a load of stuff I got out of there, and this is what it looks like now. What do you think of that? A couple hours later, this thing is a beast. This little Kabota. I don't know if anyone's used this. This is a rental, so it's banged up, but what are you gonna do? But this thing's a little beast right here. A little diesel, little three-cylinder diesel. It's got lights, a little rollover cab, rubber tracks, pusher blade, and a thumb. Thing's awesome. Thing lifted, this is all dead wood. It ain't too heavy, but it still lifted everything. Back of my truck, do a couple of, gotta cut that down, and we're out of here. So, different video for you guys, a little heavy equipment. If you guys like these types of videos, let me know. I can post more of this stuff. Till next time.